So if you walk into a gym and you feel completely lost, trust me, you are not alone. Most people walk into a gym and they either do one or two things. A, they get on the treadmill because it's safe, or B, they look around, they see all the different options, and then they hop on each equipment and they actually see what it does for them. But that is not going to get you the tone look that you're looking for. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one cable machine and you can tone your whole upper body with this one machine. So no looking around, no wasting time. You can be way more efficient. If this is your first time watching my channel, appreciate you coming through and watching my video. I study kinesiology and I'm finishing up my master's in dietetics. I've been a fitness coach for the last 11 years. I helped out hundreds of people and I make videos like this to help people like you. So let's get into the first exercise. So the first one is going to be a rear cable delt fly. This is almost like a warm up as well. So it's just warming up those small muscles. This is going to work the back of your shoulders. So the back of your shoulders, basically your whole shoulder is called your delt. So it's going to work that out. Every exercise that I'm going to show you in here, you want to be in a slow and controlled pace. So don't rush any of these movements, slow and controlled. This exercise right here, you're going to do 3 sets of 10 on each side. This rear delt cable fly is really going to work your shoulders out, but it's going to help broaden up your chest. And that's actually going to make your stomach look a little bit smaller too. So you're going to be standing more upright. Your chest is going to be wider. And then your stomach and your gut is not going to be poking out as much. So this is a great one that you can implement. I want you to start here. Do 10 on each side, and I want you to flip around, do the other side. Remember, control the weight. The weight is going to pull you back, but I want you to control it. Don't let it pull you up. The next exercise that we're going to do is a cable chest fly. This one is really going to help you bring that definition into your arms, into your chest. I don't know about you guys. I'm not trying to be Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm not trying to be The Rock. I'm trying to just have a toned body and look good with my shirt off. So this exercise is really going to help you out. You really want to focus on the mind-muscle connection. So as you're lifting the weight, focus on the muscle that you're actually working. So you're working your chest mainly in here. So focus on the chest muscles and squeeze as hard as you can. And then, like I said before, slowly lower the weight down and then repeat this one. So try this one at least 3 sets of 10, and then we're going to go to the next one. Let's go. Okay, now we're going to focus on the shoulder. So we're going to do a cable lat raise. This one right here, you really got to focus on lowering the weight slowly. So as you bring your arm down, do not let it just fall down. You really want to control that weight as it goes down and then bring it up slow. So think about like 2 to 3 seconds on each movement as you go up and down. Repeat this exercise 3 sets of 10. Make sure you do each side so everything is evened out. All right, so we're moving along. The next exercise that we're going to do is a straight arm pull down. And we're also going to combo with this one with the tricep extension. So on the lat pull down, you want to choose a weight that is kind of heavy for you because I really want your back muscles to be activated. So as you pull it down, try to just hinge at your hips and keep your arms as straight as possible. And I want you to pull it down. So once you bring it down like to your thighs, the weight is going to want to yank you back up. So brace yourself, keep your core tight, and do not let it pull you. This is when you want to have your lats engaged, and then you want to slowly lower your arms up and then control the weight. You want to repeat this one at least 3 sets of 10. As you get better, you can increase the weight and then you'll completely feel it. So after you finish the straight arm lat pull downs, what you're going to do is go straight into a tricep extension. Your tricep muscle is way smaller than your back muscles, so you're not going to be able to lift as much. So what I want you to do is lower the weight on this one and go straight into it. Since your tricep is smaller, I like to do more reps to actually tone that muscle. So I would like you to do 3 sets of 20 on this one. So repeat it 3 sets of 20, and then you're going to go back and forth. You want to go back to the lat pull downs, and then you want to go to the tricep extension. Back and forth combo on these. So side note, when I'm doing these exercises on the cable machine, sometimes I like to keep my heart rate up and I like to feel like I'm getting a good pump in and also a good sweat in. I like to add in these exercises in between. You can add in your own, whatever ones that you like, but the 3 exercises that I like to add in is jumping jacks. I either do 10 or 20 jumping jacks in between each set, or I'll do standing knee raises. So this is like doing a crunch while standing up, doing your knee lifts, at least 10 on each side in between sets. Or maybe I'll get on the floor and do push-ups, or I'll do mountain climbers in between sets. So this is just going to help make you feel like you're getting more of a workout in. It's going to have your heart rate up as you're going through these exercises. All right, so we pretty much hit every muscle. The last one we're going to do is the bicep curl. I actually love doing this one. We're going to keep that same bar that we have on there, what we want to do is bring the attachment all the way down to the bottom. And once the bar is at the bottom, we want to change the weight. That's something that we can manage. And then we want to curl that weight. So as you curl it, it's just not regular curls. You want to really slowly control it, especially on the way down. As you can see here, I'm going really slow on the way down. I want you to feel the burn. I want you to stretch those muscles out and break them down. Our goal is to break these muscles down as much as we can. That way it can build itself up and we get stronger each time. I hope this was super valuable for you. You don't need 2 hours at the gym. All you need is about 30 minutes and a solid plan. So let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out. And also, if you're watching this video and you're like, man, I want to have somebody build a plan for me. I want some one-on-one coaching. Hit me up. We can have a call. We can see if you're a good fit. Other than that, check out more videos on my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.